Hello children, I welcome you back in my video. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important topic of physics, that is derivation of equation of motion by the graphical method. In this video, we will learn how to derive the first and second equation of motion graphically. So, first we will consider the few things. Consider the motion of a body moving in a straight line with increasing velocity. So, we are assuming that the body is moving with an initial velocity of u unit. Okay? Now, when the body is moving with the initial velocity u, so in this, the time is 0. Now the body accelerates uniformly with the acceleration of a. So we are assuming that the body is accelerating with acceleration a. Now after the t unit, the body changes its velocity, and its velocity changes to v, and v is your here final velocity. Okay, so children, let's represent all this assumed data on the graph. So I will draw the first vertical line, which is for velocity, and the horizontal line for the time period. So center is O, taking a point A from the O such that the length of OA is equal to the U unit. Another point N such that the distance of O and N is V. So as you know, all this is happening in the time period T. So I am taking another point O to P, which is T unit from the O. So this is first point, and according to the coordinate of the second point, V is here and T is here. So when you join this point, it forms a slope of a straight line. Okay children? So this slope line AB is representing the acceleration. So AB is your acceleration. Acceleration is equals to slope of line AB. Right children? So let's find out the acceleration. So how we can find the acceleration? Change in velocity upon time period. So here the change in velocity is your what? This is your final, this is your initial, and the change in velocity is final minus initial, that is Bm upon Am. So what is Bm? How you can find the magnitude of the Bm? Bp minus Mp upon Am. So let's put all the values which we have assumed. Bp is your V, Mp is your U, AB is your children, just do the correction, it's not AB, it's AM. So AM is your T, because time period is your AM, right? So AM is your T. So now from this statement you can write V is equals to U plus AT. Okay. Now children, we learn the second equation of motion, derivation of second equation of motion. In the second equation of motion, we find the distance. Okay. And children, remember one thing which is very important. Whenever it is asked to find the distance covered by the body on the graph, then you will find the area obtained by that line. So in this figure, you can see it is forming a trapezium. Okay. So we will find the area of this trapezium. So how you will do this? So children, you will do, as you know, that area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel side into height. Please draw this figure on your copy, pause the video and once you draw, then continue. I hope you all have noted down. So children, as we know, the area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel side into height. So OA and this BP are the parallel side and OP is your altitude. So let's prove it. So we know that area of the trap. First I will write displacement of the body in time t is equals to area of trapezium, that is OAPP, right? Just look at the figure which you have drawn in your copy. So S is equals to, as you know, that area of trapezium is equals to what? Half into sum of parallel side into height. Okay children, so just look at the figure. Half, sum of the parallel sides are here, OA plus PB, and the height is your OP, right? So S is equals to half into U plus V into T. Okay children, so now please pause the video and note it down. I hope you all have done this. So S is equals to half U plus V into T. So from the first equation we can write V is equals to U plus AT. So we put this value here. So we put this value here. In the place of V we will put U plus AT and then T. So children, half into 2U, U and U are the like terms, AT into T. So when you multiply this T inside, you will get half into 2U into T plus half into AT into T. This will give you the result UT plus half AT square. So children, I hope you understand. Now practice it because it is so important for the exam and numerical point of view. So take care, stay blessed, stay at home. God bless you.